The following video is a HAAS TL-2 CNC lathe. This unit is new 2005. Chris is going to run a brief field demonstration for you today.
Okay, well, we'll go ahead and run through our access first. We'll go ahead and jog our Z. A little bit faster. Back. And we get our X. Then we can hit Shift X to unlock the wheel, like you manually roll it. Shift and D puts it back, it's locked. Alright, now we'll go to MDI. We'll go ahead and activate our two-tooth. I'll send it back. Alright, I'll go ahead and do a spindle test. Get 500 RPM. 1,000. And that's 18,000, our maximum RPM.
Again, the following video is a HAAS TL-2 CNC lathe, new 2005.